आयतारा वास्कोन गुजराती समाजाची पत्रकार परिषद जाली। राज्यान प्लास्टिकाचो वापर काय प्रमाणात कमी करपाच्या यत्नान गुजराती समाजान काय प्रमाणात पावलां उखल्ल्यात। RDX को खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
The pollution of plastic, with the Chief Minister of Goa has said that we have to make Goa plastic free. We as a small part, we are trying to take part in that to reduce Vasco's plastic and this pollution. Most of us, we see everywhere there are videos which are being shown about cows having so much plastic or 5 kilos, 10 kilos of plastic being removed through operation. So indirectly, if we as people, human beings cannot improve that and stop this plastic, we will be finding that the mission will never be successful. Everywhere we travel, we would be finding this similar problem, and we as a Samaj, we are trying to do it in a very small way and to develop this particular Vasco and make it clean. I do go to Marmugao and go to Harbour or to Sada. We do find that where we are having the dumping grounds, it is quite difficult to even pass that area. So if we are doing such a way that the Samaj develops in such a way that all the activities which we are doing, some other NGOs or groups can support us and carry on this work, because just as a small part which we are trying to do. It's not necessary that we are the only ones will be doing, but it's a small part and we will want others to follow that.
Today's plastic is the major problem for all, for environment, and everywhere garbage, everybody is having and throwing the garbage on the roads. So that in garbage along with the plastic bags, cows are eating, and they are that plastic is going to his stomach, and with that we have already made the 4 operation in our Gausala at Sikeri. In 3 times we have got around 20 kilo, 25 kilo, 30 kilo. Last 20 days before we have operated one cow with that 60 kg of plastics approx. We had found with that cow's stomach. So now plastic is everywhere is the big problem. So that's why we have started to awareness for the peoples to use that Goa plastic free, and we are giving them to the cotton bags to carry all the vegetables and all from the market, and use cotton bags and make Goa plastic free.